Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see Aquarius, what's going on and your messages. Aquarius. Under the deck, Four of Wands. I think someone is coming towards you. I think your love life is going to be upgraded. Or in career wise, you will get stability. You will get a permanent job. You will get financial stability. Yeah, you will get harmony in your home. So I think you both could be twin flames also. So let's see your reading. In recent past, Seven of Wands, the Tower and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I think there is a tower moment you are going through in recent past. Seven of Wands and Two of Pentacles. Maybe you are juggling between things. Maybe between your person and your career. Definitely you are some confusion and you are in some confusion and you are juggling in recent past. Right now what is going? Ace of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Justice. I think you are holding back. What I am seeing here, you are holding back. But someone wants second chance because Justice, Libra, the person involved in this connection could be. And Ace of Pentacles, yeah, someone coming back to offer stability because Ace of Pentacles is long term stability. But there are some disturbances between both of you, the future energies, the Moon, Queen of Wands and Knight of Swords. Yeah, you overcome the tower moment and you stand by your power, Aquarius. See, Queen of Wands, you are in this energy. Yeah, but someone is rushing towards you, Knight of Swords. Yeah, I think if you are in separation, definitely a past person may be coming towards you and want second chance with you, but you are holding back because Four of Pentacles. Maybe you are having some trust issues because the Moon is here. Maybe some secrets hidden in this connection. Yeah, maybe you cut them off in past, but they are coming back again with a solid offer, and maybe you are getting financial stability. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. So what I'm seeing here, you overcome your pain and stand by your power. Yeah, Queen of Wands energy you are in right now, Aquarius, but someone is coming towards you. For some it could be a new person also. Okay, but you achieved your balance, you are in your control, what I'm getting here. Yeah, so let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going on. Nine of Cups, two times Four of Wands, High Priestess. I think your person want reconciliation with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level for sure, because Four of Wands, they want celebration with you. They are wishing for this connection. And High Priestess, definitely they are listening to the higher self. They are listening to their inner voice, what I am getting here. Yeah, I think there is upgrade in love life, Aquarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. See, Six of Cups. Wow. Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also, and Hanged Woman. Under the deck, Five of Cups. Definitely there is a separation between both of you for some. Five of Cups, your person feeling very very sad for the separation. They want reconciliation with you because Six of Cups, and they are thinking about you a lot. The Hanged Woman, yeah, they are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. Aquarius and Temperance. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time to make a first move towards you. And Six of Cups, definitely they are feeling soulmate connection with you, and there is a strong bond between both of you, and they want reconciliation with you. They want celebrations with you. Yeah, this time they are listening to the higher self. That's why they are taking their time. So if you are waiting your person to come back, please be patient, because they are waiting for the right time. Right now your person stuck. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's pull some more cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Leo. I want clarification card for Nine of Wands. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They won't give up on you. They will try again and again until you give second chance to them, what I'm getting here. Because they're gaining their strength, all strength to come towards you to make first move. Yeah. Two cards. I'm not taking. Under the deck, Six of Swords. What is? I think you may be feeling that your person lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely Seven of Swords, some sneaky energy. Maybe some deception in this connection. Ten of Swords. Yeah. Even though you want rebirth in this connection, right now you are not trusting your person, what I'm seeing here. Aquarius, you are not trusting your person because Ten of Swords is painful endings. Even though you want rebirth, but you don't trust them. But they have strong emotions for you. Maybe you are guarded up right now. You stand by your power, but they're rushing towards you. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. Six of Swords, I think you have decided to move on. You decided to move towards calm waters, what I'm seeing here, Aquarius. Because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Maybe in past they played games with you. That's why you are not trusting them right now. But Ten of Swords energy, maybe some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Maybe it is temporary separation between both of you because energies will change time to time. But they have emotions for you. They really want you back. But it's up to you. So let's see your overall energy for the week. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Leo. Yeah, Three of Pentacles, they are coming back to work on this relationship. Six of Wands, they want success in this connection, or you are getting success in your life, and you will getting recognition for your work. And the World, this could be long distance relationship, and your person want reconciliation. Three of Wands, yeah, you turn your back from your person, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, they want collaboration with you. They really want to work on this relationship. But it's up to you. Aquarius. Maybe they are sneaky. That's why. If you really know that your person played games with you, please don't give another chance. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ten of Cups, the Star, the Sun. Wow, the Fool. See? All positive cards in the deck. Definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. They really want to take leap of faith. The Sun, they are waiting for positive result. They're waiting for second chance. They're still hoping for this connection. They're still hoping that you will give another chance to them if you are in separation. And Ten of Cups, if you are not in separation, definitely they want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you, and they want to take this relationship to next level. Wow. I think you in past your person may be sneaky, but now for some your person is really changing for you. They really like you because the four cards are very positive cards. So finally it's up to you. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Show the world the real you. Okay, I think you may be hiding something you may be hiding something, but show the world the real you. Maybe you are wearing mask like that. The real you is not showing right now, but this is the time. Show the world the real you. Okay, if you are having any talents, please show to the world, because this is the time. This is the time to show the real you. Okay, this is the message from universe, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.